I started CMO in the spring of 2011, that I wanted to create opportunity for other people. Part of that opportunity was for myself as well. I had a young growing family. My first son was born. And so I had to start thinking outside the box that I had for myself, as well as I started seeing a way in which a certain group of people could serve customers within the industry that we were part of.
The biggest thing that sets CMO apart, makes us different, is the people. We have guys that come from all different walks of life, and we all truly believe in not just the product that we provide, but the experience that we provide. At the end of the day, a product is not really what you're selling or what you're doing. It's all about the experience that you can provide.
Honesty, I think, starts when we ask questions and understand what the customer really wants and what their needs are. And then we can come alongside that and say, here are the options that you have in getting there. The greatest value that you bring to the service that you're in is really the way you interact with the customer and interact with one another. I think what a lot of people are looking for is something that's unique. It's an intangible. It's something that they feel. It's something that there's a sense of being comfortable. So when they call our office and James answers the phone, "This is James with Chimney Masonry Outfitters. How can I help you?" Instantly, we're beginning to set the stage of what their experiences will be. And the hope is that we draw them in, that they would feel comfortable, they feel like we actually care about their problem, and that we're the right people to help fix that.